Tapasya, the hunger to touch the sky.
कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बाहर के।
Behind me are hundreds of dreams, thousands of hours of silence, and the weight of a nation's future. We've all seen the success stories on the news, but today I'm Tanya Majumdar going to show you the sweat, the discipline, and the DNA of this academy that makes those stories possible. Success in the UPSC isn't just about how many books you read, it's about the environment that refuses to let you fail. We have seen the desks, we have heard the stories, and we have felt the grief. The only question left is, are you ready to see your name on that final list? If you have the fire, this academy has the fuel. You have seen the facilities and the success stories. Now it's time to write your own story with Ajmal IS Academy.
हाय, तुम लोग शादी में गए थे, मुझे बुलाया भी नहीं यार तुम लोग। बड़े ज्यादती किया तुम लोगों ने मेरे साथ। मुझे भी जाना था यार, यहाँ पे पढ़ के यार बोर हो चुकी हूँ, मुझे भी जाना था ना। चलो हो जाएगा फिर। आज तो संडे था। दोस्त, अरे दोस्त सुनो ना, आज तो संडे है ना, चल ना कहीं खाने चलते हैं, चल ना।
भूख तो मुझे भी बहुत है, लेकिन वो वाला भूख नहीं है मुझे। मुझे अपने सपनों को पूरा करना है और मैं अपने तपस्या पे हूँ अभी।
तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी, हैरान हूँ मैं, हैरान हूँ मैं।
अरे क्या हो गया? ओह माय गॉड, ओए देखो मेरी तरफ देखो। It's okay. तुम रिजल्ट को लेके अपसेट हो? क्या हो गया?
इसमें मेरा मार्कशीट ना था यार, शायद मुझसे हो।
It's okay. Don't be so much harsh on yourself. Just because तुम्हें ये मार्क्स आए थे, तुम अपने आप को जज करने लगे। This one paper, this one number does not decide कि तुमने कितना एफर्ट्स इसमें दिया है। तुम्हें क्या लग रहा है तुमसे ये सब नहीं होगा? Just because तुम्हें इतना कम नंबर मिला, भूलना मत कि ये हमारी तपस्या है, समझे ना? और no matter what comes in between, चाहे बाढ़ आए चाहे आंधी आए, हमारी तपस्या रुकनी नहीं चाहिए।
Oh, tapas. Okay, I'll rectify myself. I'll rectify myself. Thanks for your company. Okay, मैं करके दिखाऊंगी, मैं ट्राई करूंगी।
नजर से बोलो ना, हौले से बोलो ना, तुम नजर से बोलो ना।
Motivation for cracking IS to reach people at the grassroots level and understand them. Favorite subject? Ethics. Favorite personality or role model in IS?
It has to be Dr. S.J. Shankar.
How do you stay updated with current affairs?
I prefer one standard newspaper and of course daily magazine provided by our academy only.
Biggest challenge in your prep so far?
Being consistent, especially during the tough times.
What's your target rank?
My preference is foreign service, so it has to be 2-digit.
Hey, do you study in a group or you prefer to study alone?
I prefer both.
How do you handle stress and burnout?
I prefer taking short breaks and of course doing my favorite stuff such as badminton, volleyball.
Nice. Any specific area of governance you are passionate about?
Yes, I want to reform the healthcare sector.
That's a good option. Your best study hack for retaining information?
Mnemonics, mind maps, short notes.
And what's your strategy for optional subject?
I've chosen PSIR, which heavily overlaps with the GS part.
Okay, last but not the least, what's the most important thing you have learned so far?
You know, to have control over your one's emotions, and of course, to being stabilized about it.
That's indeed fascinating. Thank you, Noshin.
Thank you.
हौले से सिरहाने में रख कर ये यादें मेरे मन की झोली में छोड़ कर ये यादें आँखों से ओझल हो न जाना तू साथी उड़ता सा बादल हो ना जाना
Acha, Jesse, in an exam like this stuff, how much of your confidence comes from the guidance that you receive from such an atmosphere, from within these walls? I'm talking about the environment here.
Thank you for the lovable question, ma'am. A large part of my confidence came from this guidance within this wall, and personally, I have to say that I have received right guidance in responsibility and in punctuality and kind service to the people who in need. And I've also learned that hard work alone is not enough, but to have a consistent effort with rightful mind and to not to over pressurize myself, but to trust myself that I can do it in this long process journey in this tough exam. And seeing the focused and dedicated environment, especially my fellow mates, yes, I have been motivated to be a better person and overall with a stable confidence. That's all. Thank you.
Hey, actually, I was looking for such kind of answer only. That's very insightful. What's the one thing you wish every aspirant should develop?
The one thing that every aspirant should have is intellectual humility, along with consistency, hard work, and discipline. If we cultivate all these habits, then in future, every intellectual can be a better
Aspirant.
aspirant. Yes.
Okay, that's insightful. Who were you when you first walked through the gates of Ajmal IAS Academy, and what are you becoming now?
मेरे लिए बचपन से ही एक सपना रहा है ये। मैंने खुद यहाँ आके पेशेंस डेवलप किया है कि कैसे बहुत देर तक पढ़ाई पे बैठे रहना है। पहले मैं प्रॉब्लम्स की सोल्यूशन ढूंढने के लिए लोगों के पास जाती थी, लेकिन अभी ऐसा नहीं है। अब मैं खुद उनका सोल्यूशन ढूंढती हूँ और हम क्या करते हैं, डिस्कशंस करते हैं। तो मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव मैं उनको शेयर करती हूँ, वो अपना पर्सपेक्टिव मुझे शेयर करते हैं। मैंने खुद को बदलते हुए देखा है। इस प्रिपरेशन ने मुझे बहुत कुछ दिया है और आई नो इंशाल्लाह मैं IAS ऑफिसर तो जरूर बनूंगी, इतना तो मुझे होप है। बाकी कुछ बनूं ना बनूं, एक अच्छा इंसान तो जरूर बनूंगी।
That's indeed a very hopeful note. Amazing.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
ऐसे ही motivated रहो और दूसरों को
जी,
motivation देते रहो।
इंशाल्लाह मैम।
अच्छा Nazia, tell me one thing. When you first received your admission letter to Ajmal IAS Academy, what did it mean to your family's future?
Okay, it was a great opportunity for me because I'm the first child in my family who chose this field and अपने आप में एक एग्जाम्पल सेट करना चाहती हूँ कि मेरा जो अपकमिंग फ्यूचर है वो मुझे देख के इंस्पायर हो।
That's indeed heart melting.
Thank you.
अच्छा राफिया, अजमल IAS Academy का जो environment है, जो atmosphere है, वो आपके mindset को कैसे change कर रहा है? I mean, from a student to becoming the future officer of the nation.
एज ए एस्पायरेंट मुझे मेरा एक फिक्स टाइम टेबल है, रूटीन है जो कि अजमल IAS अकेडमी से प्रोवाइड किया है। हमें स्टडी शेड्यूल होता है, मॉक टेस्ट लेते हैं, तो उससे वजह से हमारा जो प्रेशर कैसे हैंडल करना होता है वो सिखाया, डिसिप्लिन रहना सिखाया और मेन फोकस कैसे रहना है वो सिखाया हमें, डिसीजन मेकिंग कैसे करना है हमें वो सिखाते
That's
हैं।
actually important, हाँ।
Yes. और आंसर राइटिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर आवर एग्जाम। तो वो आंसर राइटिंग से हम लोग क्या सीखते हैं कि हमें टाइम कैसे मैनेज करना है। वो टाइम लिमिट रहता है ना, 7 मिनट्स 11 मिनट्स ऐसा रहता है, तो वो टाइम कैसे मैनेज करना रहता है वो सिखाया।
Lutfa, describe the energy of your classroom. I mean, how does it feel to be surrounded by the sharpest mind in the country?
It's the energy in the classroom is very focused, as you can see.
Yes.
And it's also very motivating, I'd say. आप देखेंगे बहुत सारे diverse backgrounds के students साथ में बैठ रहे होंगे. And about how I feel being surrounded by such sharp minds, first of all, I'd say I'm very much thrilled to share the same classroom with such intelligent minds. But honestly, sometimes it can be pressuring because it constantly reminds you of how high the standards is.
Then there is a give and take policy.
Yes, yes. Mostly it's constructive, the pressure, because it keeps you on your toes and it keeps pushing you forward. In the classroom only आप देखेंगे कि बहुत सारे students questions कर रहे हैं, complex questions which never crossed your mind. या फिर आप देखेंगे कि students answer कर रहे हैं सवाल जो आपको बहुत difficult लग सकता है. But the thing is, आप अगर उसको positively ले,
Yeah, that is making you ponder about the question.
so over the time you'll realize that it is actually helping you grow, and you are doing well in your preparation. You are more disciplined and not settle for the
Yes, actually,
average.
I also believe the same. Like competitive environment, then kahin na kahin it liberates your mind. It do not captivate you within one room. Rather, you get some fresh air to ponder and to liberate your mind, isn't it? Okay, that's a nice conversation with you.
अच्छा Sajida, let me give you a condition. पकड़ लो, someone is sitting at home terrified of the admission process. So what is the one piece of advice that you would give them to take their first step right here?
Regarding this examination, as far as the examination is concerned, being scared is very natural. If you are scared, it means the dream matters to you. So if you are scared, it is very natural. The exam itself is very rigorous process. It's a very tough exam. So everyone has a myth that everyone creates a mindset that this exam is very tough.
Yeah.
But as far as I have experienced the process, I have experienced this journey for almost 3 years now. As I was in integrated batch also, Ajmal IAS Academy is just a step away. If you are scared, this academy is here to replace your scare into confidence. Ajmal IAS Academy doesn't judge you by where you start, how you start. It always sees how sincerely you are preparing for the exam, how you are disciplined, how much consistency you are maintaining in the entire process. आप अगर दूर में भी रह रहे हैं तब भी आप एडमिशन कर सकते हैं. दूर से ऑनलाइन प्रोसेस अवेलेबल है. ऑफलाइन करना है तो फर्स्ट
Online is also available.
Yes.
Okay.
फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व बेसिस में है. ऑफलाइन में भी इट डजंट जज यू. आप कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, किस लैंग्वेज से बात करते हैं, कोई बैरियर्स नहीं है. बहुत ऐसे मेरिटोरियस स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं जिन लोगों को डर होता है कि एडमिशन प्रोसेस में जाके वो लोग एडमिशन फीस दे पाएंगे कि नहीं, पूरा एंटायर जर्नी का जो कॉस्ट होता है वो दे पाएंगे कि नहीं. बट अजमल IAS अकेडमी में आप जब भी ऐसे सिचुएशन आता है तब अजमल IAS अकेडमी इज ऑलवेज रेडी टू हेल्प यू आउट.
Yes, actually their motto is to empower the youth, right?
Yes.
And that's indeed a rare facility that they are giving.
यस. तो जब एडमिशन प्रोसेस में उन लोगों को कुछ दिक्कत आता है, फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस आता है, उस टाइम भी फाइनेंशियली सबको असिस्ट किया जाता है.
That's a blessing. That's a blessing.
बट अजमल IAS अकेडमी में पहले आपका सिंसियरिटी देखा जाता है, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस देखा जाता है. आप if you are into this exam or not उसको चेक किया जाता है. And if you are really into this exam, they are ready to support you at all cost.
Hey, Salma, tell me one thing. There are hundreds of coaching centers in India. Why did you then trust Ajmal IAS Academy with your IAS stream?
Yes, out of hundreds of coaching institutions, I have chosen Ajmal IAS Academy for my IAS dream because I have personally experienced this institution from the last 3 years where I have done my graduation from Mariam Ajmal Women's College of Science and Technology with BA plus IAS integrated coaching, and which gave me a strong academic foundation along with early exposure to civil services preparation. Apart from this, what stood out to me exactly is that the kind of humility and most importantly, it provides the sincerity with its guidance along with the one-to-one mentorship. It looks each and every individual not as a person or as a member of the institution, and this is what really encouraged me because I chose this institution for not just as an institution but a continuation.
Tapasya, the hunger to touch the sky. Tapasya is the fire that fuels the soul, a burning desire to reach the highest goal. It's the hunger to soar, to explore, to achieve, to push beyond the limits and make the impossible possible. Believe. Tapasya is the voice that whispers, don't give up. When the road ahead seems long and the journey is tough, it's the strength to rise, to fight, to strive, to turn dreams into reality and make the sky alive. Tapasya is the courage to chase your dreams, to take the leap of faith and make it real, it seems. Tapasya, it's the patience to pursue, to explore, to discover, to touch the sky and claim your rightful power. Tapasya, the hunger to touch the sky.